Are you mulling over the idea of setting up a limited liability company, or as it's more commonly known, an LLC? If so, you might be wondering about the steps involved, the costs, the paperwork, and perhaps even the legal implications. Well, you've come to the right place because today we're going to break down the process of setting up an LLC into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Starting off, the first step in your journey is research and planning. You need to make sure that forming an LLC is the right business structure for your needs. Things to consider include liability protection, taxation, management flexibility, and state-specific regulations. Next, you'll need to choose a name for your LLC. It needs to be unique and must include the abbreviation LLC or LLC. Also be sure that it doesn't infringe on the trademarks of existing businesses. The third step is to appoint a registered agent. This is a person or business entity that will receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. Moving on, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with the Secretary of State or similar state agency. This document includes the basics about your LLC like its name, address, registered agent, management structure, and purpose. Following this, you should draft an operating agreement. Although it's not always required by law, it's highly recommended as it outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, decision-making processes, profit distribution, and other operational details. Next up is obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This unique number identifies your LLC for tax purposes. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and fulfill tax obligations. Subsequently, you should research and obtain any required business licenses, permits, or registrations at the federal, state, and local levels. The eighth step revolves around taxation. LLCs offer flexibility in taxation, allowing owners to choose between being taxed as a sole proprietorship partnership or as a corporation. After setting up your LLC, you'll need to maintain compliance with state regulations and fulfill ongoing obligations like filing annual reports, paying state fees, holding regular meetings, and keeping accurate financial records. Lastly, while it's possible to form an LLC on your own, seeking professional assistance is advised to ensure compliance with legal requirements and to streamline the process. So there you have it, the comprehensive steps to setting up an LLC. Remember, it's all about planning, choosing a name, appointing a registered agent, filing the Articles of Organization, drafting an operating agreement, obtaining an EIN, getting the necessary licenses and permits, choosing your tax structure, and maintaining compliance. Setting up an LLC might seem complicated, but with these steps, it becomes a manageable process. And remember, professional help is always available to streamline the process. This is where we come in. PromptBiz Inc. is a business formation and AI compliance company that helps valued customers like yourself to start, run, and grow their businesses. Our service is fast, affordable, and streamlined to give you only the essential tools you need without upselling you on tools you do not need. We have automated the entire process, and starting your LLC only takes a few clicks on our website, where you provide us with a few details about your desired company, and we would handle the rest. The good news is that it is way cheaper than a traditional LLC service, and all is achieved from a single, simple, and easy-to-use website. Visit us at www.promptbiz.biz.